How to remove watermark from your image. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually go ahead and remove the watermark from your images, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can remove watermark from your images. There are many ways to do this. Now if you are using some features on your phone that the AI gives you can actually use the features such as object eraser or something like that if you would like to go ahead and erase anything. So in the case of my Samsung device, I have a feature called object eraser. For Google and Pixel users, you have got magic eraser, where you can just circle on, let's say, any particular thing that you don't want here, and then it will automatically erase those particular watermarks. Similar is the case if there's a certain watermark, it will automatically erase those, as you can see. But not everyone's phone has this kind of features, so you can also use the free options. If you go to your browser and search for image watermark remover, you'll find many links, so you can just try out either of these, and once you have done that, you can simply upload an image. Once you upload an image, you should be able to remove a watermark from these images here, and this way you should be able to go ahead and remove watermark from image. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.